be like that? Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. What?
Sana all.
How? Eto mga idol, grabe panoorin natin si ate na biglang pinakanta sa live band at talagang nagulat sila dito. Let's go panoorin natin mga idol.
When you hold me in the rain, when you kiss me, wow. I wish that we could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
Oh my God.
We keep behind closed doors. Every time I see you, I die a little more. Strong the moon stands still as the curtain falls. It'll never be enough. It's everything's open for me. Every piece of you just whisper to me. Every second, every thought, I'm so deep. But showing all my ways. But we know this. We got a love that's hopeless. What can you hold me in my dream? What can I kiss you all day long? I wish that we could be like that. What can we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
Solid nito.
I can do the world, everything I say. Would you leave the flowers alone? Settle down. Would you say and stay? The road is. We got a love that's hopeless.
Ito na.
What can you hold me in my dream? What can I kiss you all day long?
Solid.
I wish that we could be like that. What can we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. God knows I'm lost someone special. Oh, I was so away. The world of love and hate. I'm living so
Grabe.
Sibo, nagkagay. Sibo. Huwag sinabang pakihati.
Sige po.
Ending.
Can I hold you in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. I'm yours. Can you hold me in my dream? Can I kiss you on the dance floor? Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. What can I say? I'm in love. I wanna shout it from the rooftops. I wish that we could be like that. What can we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Why can't we be like that? Wish we could be like that.
Wow. Grabe mga idol. Solid na solid. First time daw nyo umakyat sa stage at talagang pinakanta mga idol. Kaya sabi niya, kayo naman. Grabe ang solid nito. Ang pangalan daw niya ay si Mariel Montiliano. Grabe! Malupit. Hindi ko kilala itong mga idol pero napakagandang boses. Parang bata lang No, I think nasa mga 19 o 20 years old lang itong batang to or mga
Sana
18 ganon. Grabe! First time ko itong nakita mga idol. Napakalupit nga. Control nga ang high notes nito. Amazing ang rendition ni ate mga idol. Kung kayo ay na-amaze mga idol sa kanyang rendition mga idol, please don't forget to like and subscribe o pakipalo ang Facebook page ni Vibe Music Entertainment. Grabe mga idol, solid na solid. Ilagay ko na lang po sa description ang link mga idol. Grabe! Ang lupit ni ate. Kung i-rate ko po ang kanyang performance mga idol, nasa 9 mga idol. Grabe! Hopefully, makakita tayo ng uli ng video na ate. So, okay, hanggang dito lang mga idol. Please comment down below mga idol kung ano po ang inyong mga reaction dyan, inyong mga opinion. Grabe, yan po ang ating mga dugong Pinoy pagdating po sa larangan ng kantahan. Halimaw talaga. God bless mga idol at ingat po kayo lagi.
I tried so hard and got so